Jakey.
Jake?
You too tired, buddy?
No. No. No.
No. See if he'll run on the... Put him up on the slide. Put him up on the slide for a minute. Are you too tired, little guy? Okay, move him. Put him up on the slide for just a second. I like the slide. There you go, buddy. What do you think?
What do you think? Jakey?
Buddy. Sorry, I keep calling you. There you go.
Buddy?
What a cutie.
Buddy. Jakey. Jakey. Buddy Jakey. He likes me, Mom.
He does like you. That's a pretty content little hamster.
What?
Not trying to run away at all. Let's see yours. Look at me.
Mama, Dick.
Move your hand, please. I'd like to see him.
Hey.
Aren't you cute?
Hey, Jakey. Jake.
Is he hungry, you think?
You hungry? He likes his food bowl. He's so excited. And I'm a little excited too. Don't you, buddy?
Be gentle with them.
Let's move. Hey, come here, Jakey. Move. He's cleaning his hole.
What, honey?
He's cleaning his hole.
Yeah, he likes to stay under there, doesn't he?
No. I want you over there.
You got it the wrong way, dude. Turn it around. This one goes over there. Turn it around. Turn it around. Yeah, that's how it goes. Oops. Okay.